EasiCrown is our newest addition to our topper collection, which adds volume to the back of the head or the crown area. EasiCrown was made for the end wearer to apply easily at home on herself. You prepare your own hair by parting forward at the crown with a hair clip. Starting with the center clip, you clip EasiCrown into hair and slide pressure-sensitive clips down securely. Secure the side and bottom clips, making sure your EasiCrown is lying flat against the head to ensure minimal tension. Release your parted hair and style as usual. You know that you've applied EasiCrown successfully when you've added coverage, volume, and thickness to the top and back of your head. EasiCrown is important because now we have a complete topper collection addressing the needs of every woman that experiences fine thinning hair, no matter the area that she experiences it.